Hello. Today is April 22nd, and it is Earth Day. So I'm going to read a story called Our Earth. And while I'm reading it, I want you to think about, try to think of at least three different places that they mention in this book um, that is on our Earth. Okay? Our Earth by Anne Rockwell. Our Earth is where I live. It is a big, round globe. It has a frozen North Pole at the top and an icy cold South Pole at the bottom. Our Earth was shaped by water, fire, ice, and living things. It is always changing, much too slowly for us to see. Our Once our Earth was covered with warm water. Some dinosaurs lived in its warm and ferny swamps. Then our Earth turned cold. Huge sheets of slowly moving ice called glaciers crept across the earth and wore rocks smooth. Glaciers are still moving in places on our earth. The biggest pieces of land on earth are continents, and there's 7 continents. Their shorelines meet the sea. Islands are smaller pieces of land that rise up out of the sea. Some islands are born when volcanoes erupt below the sea. Hot lava cools, and over time it turns to soil where green things can grow. Some islands are coral reefs that grow and grow until they poke above the water and birds bring them seeds. Water gushing up from the ground and rain and melted snow fill streams, ponds, and lakes. Streams flow into small rivers, which flow into bigger ones. Nothing can stop water from finding its way. Some rivers dry up and stop flowing, but some empty into the salty sea. The land on Earth has rounded hills that enclose green valleys. There are many forests on our Earth. Rainforests are full of flowers and birds and monkeys jumping through green leaved trees. There are hot, sandy deserts where lizards live and prickly cacti grow. There are dark, damp caves that go far down into the earth. There are tall canyons carved by years and years of rushing water. There are high snow capped mountains reaching up to the clouds in the sky. Our big round earth is very beautiful. It is my home and yours. The end. Okay, so if you could name like a few different places on Earth that we talked about, because there's several different biomes we call them, like an ocean or a river, the rainforest. So if you could think of a few others. Also, if you could think of maybe one way that you could help our Earth on Earth Day. All right, boys and girls, happy Earth Day.